subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has launched its new Magic series phone in France called Honor Magic5 Lite, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the Honor X9 smartphone. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Honor Magic5 Lite smartphone. The Honor Magic5 Lite features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curve OLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 300Hz of touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage. In terms of camera, the Honor Magic5 Lite supports a triple camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 5MP ultra wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and there is 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The handset comes backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery that supports 40W fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Magic UI 6.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes high-res audio system for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.6 by 73.9 by 7.9mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor Magic5 Lite has been priced in France at €379, and the smartphone will be up for pre-orders in the country starting from February 20th in Magic 9 Black, Emerald Green, and Titanium Silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Honor Magic5 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.